Hey, Dee, I'm going to let you see how these babies react to Rojo and Ruby. I've never seen them react, a bird act like this for their bird stuffed animals that I put into the cage. So I'm gonna have to lean over here and get them off the table. Oh yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna put them right there. And where are they at? Where are you at? They are up there and they're not moving. They are up there. You see them up there on the beds? They're not moving. I don't know what's wrong with them. But the other day they were flouncing around in there when I put them in there. So I guess they might have gotten used to them a little bit. I'll keep putting them in there and letting them sleep overnight with them, and maybe, just maybe, they'll come around and start playing with Rojo and Ruby. I don't see but one of them. Oh, there's the other one up there. Up there. So, yeah, that's them. When this camera is on them, they don't do nothing but sit there. And I don't know why that is. Oh my goodness. They are so precious, but they don't like strange stuff. Where'd you go to? Oh, there she is. She come over here closer to the camera. Yes, I did. Come over here closer to the camera, didn't you, baby? Yeah, but the other one's gone now. No, he's in front of her at the top. I think, I don't know where he's at. I don't see. But anyway, that's it. I'll talk to you later, Dee. Love you, bye.